Hi everyone, my name is David Starr, and welcome to my course, C# Design Patterns, the Facade, one in a series of patterns courses. I'm a principal cloud architect at Microsoft, and have been a strong and consistent supporter of using design patterns where they make sense. I've been teaching patterns at various levels for several years. You can find me on Twitter talking about it at Elegant Coder. This course is going to teach you the facade design pattern, when to use it, and how to do so appropriately. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the ball of mud situation, the multiple worker situation, and how the facade pattern can be flexible enough to appropriately be used to solve for both of these situations. By the end of this course, you'll have seen the facade in practice in various ways. Now, before beginning the course, you should be familiar with some basic C# or other object-oriented language. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other C# design patterns courses. Now, I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the facade design pattern with this C# patterns course at Pluralsight.